welcome back. Today we are unboxing Ipsy for January. Just came in the mail yesterday. I didn't get a chance to film yesterday, so we're doing it today. Film date is January 28th. I am in Canada, that's why I get them so much later than everyone else. But let's jump into it. So this month there is one item on the outside of the bag. Here. It is a Larousse. Is it Larousse? Is that how you say it? A Larousse. It says kabuki brush. This is the smallest kabuki brush I've ever seen. It's got like a gray-blue handle. Yeah, that's the smallest kabuki brush I've ever seen. Like, it's tiny. I have a set of Larousse face brushes that I really like, so I'm excited to have another one. So the bag is actually kind of a see-through-ish bag this month, and it says Dream on it in little stars. Most of them are white stars, but there's some blue stars too that say Dream. So let's jump in. Oh, the pull is a little plastic ring, and the material in the bag feels like a silicone outer shell. There is a card on the inside, and oh, it does come with the details. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Wow. So the Larousse Beauty LR222 Kabuki brush in denim, from the Denim Blue collection. I can't talk, I'm so sorry. From the Denim Blue collection, manufacturer's suggested retail price is $30. And of course it is a full size. Brushes are always full size. The one thing I do like about Ipsy is that they don't promise any full size items in their base bag. They say deluxe and sample size products only, and then occasionally you get some full size products that pay for the bag. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a $12 a month subscription. With exchange, I pay right around $19 a month for it. So even still, this still pays for it. Okay, so what do we got next? This also says it's a full-size item. It is from Hala Neon High Lip Gloss Lacquer. Kalo? Yeah, Kalo. I'm going to say that's the... it's got the thinnest plastic ever on it. It looks like a really nice shade. High Gloss Lacquer. I really like the packaging. It's super nice. Feels durable. Also says that it is a full-size product and it is $17. Let's give it a little swatch on the back of the hand. Oh wow. For a gloss, it feels like it goes on a little bit more like a liquid lip. It's a very full color. Like, it's really pigmented. Usually for glosses, they're slight color, but not that one. That's pretty good. All right. So 2 full-size products so far. And I think there's actually a third product that is a full-size as well, which is a pretty freaking good bag to get 3 full-size products. That's pretty good. The next one is a nail polish from Bellin Argent, I think is how you say it. So it's 8 free nail polish in Bore Someone Else. I always find that their packaging is always super nice. Here's the color. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $13. That's a nice color. I love dark colors for nail polish. Can't tell. I'm really excited to try this one. 3 full-size products. That's pretty amazing. So next, what do we got here? Kosit Salt Scalp Scrub. This is a deluxe sample. The manufacturer's suggested retail price of the full-size version is $24. Looks like a decent amount. It's a detoxifying bamboo charcoal, mineral-rich gray sea salt, nourishing and dandruff-fighting tea tree oil, This exfoliating scalp scrub is packed with the gentle ingredients that lift away dirt, excess oil, and debris. The result, a healthy scalp that promotes gorgeous, shiny, healthy hair. Tip, section hair, apply throughout scalp, then gently massage to exfoliate, wash as usual. So you use this first. I'm gonna say you might get 2 uses out of this. Probably 1 though. But I will certainly give it a try. I've never had a scalp scrub before, so excited to give that a try. And the last item is my choice item, which I'm super excited about. It is from the company Item Beauty. It is the Air Hug Concealer in Light Neutral. It is an Ipsy exclusive. So this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version of this product is $18. My camera just does not want to focus today. It actually feels like a fair amount of product. Oh my gosh. The applicator is ginormous. Look at the size of that. The little doe foot applicator is huge. It's like the size of the bottle. Like, look. Well, let's give it a little swatch. See if the shade's going to be good for me. Oh, yeah. That looks pretty good. Just going to give it a little tap in. That puts so much on my hand. I tried to just put a little bit. A little goes a long way of this stuff. See here, where I've kind of blended it out a little bit. You can see the edges a little bit. It's pretty close. It's not too bad. And those are my 5 items this month in my Ipsy Glam bag for 20 bucks or well, 12 bucks US. That is a good bag. I'm pretty happy with it. I will certainly use everything that I got. The value is crazy. Just for my 3 full-size items, what will that work out to? 30, 47, $60. So the manufacturer suggested retail price on just the 3 full-size items here in the middle, $60. That's crazy. That's insane. I'll take it though. All right, that's my unbagging. Are you my bag twin? I always like to know if you got the same things I did. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Usually I like it to be a little bit more makeup heavy, but I feel like I got a little bit of everything. I got a tulle, a lip, a face, nails, and hair. I mean, you can't really beat that. I'm pretty happy. Thanks for stopping by today. Really appreciate you being here and watching my video. If you can hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Also, if you hit the notification bell, you'll find out every time I upload a new video. If you hit the like button, I'll like you even more. I'm working hard to grow my channel, and I hope you are enjoying being here with me. Till next time, bye!